Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment. Well, in this video we'll see how to share your internet by Bluetooth tethering from one mobile to another mobile. So let us go to the mobile and see how to do that. So as you can see, there are two mobiles here. One is OnePlus 7 here, another is OnePlus 5T. So I have my internet in this mobile through my mobile SIM. So I will share internet from this device to that device by Bluetooth tethering only. So you can see here the net is on, mobile net is on, and Bluetooth is also on. Similarly, you have to do this here also. You have to turn on your Bluetooth. You have to first connect your Bluetooth on both the devices. So once you do that, you have to just hold on and pair new device. So once you do that, you will find this device here. It will take a minute. So as you can see, this OnePlus 7 is being shown here also. This device has already identified this OnePlus device. So I'll just click here, OnePlus, and it has started pairing. So once it is complete, it's asking pair with OnePlus 7 Bluetooth pairing code. So fine, I pair and connect, pair. So once it is, I'll also press here pair. So my device is currently connected. So here I'll go to my OnePlus 7 which has internet connection. I'll go to settings and go to Wi-Fi and network, and here you can see something called hotspot and tethering. You can find in your own phones and models what other options you find. So most probably it will be in hotspot and tethering place. I just press here. Once I do, you can see this option is also available, Bluetooth tethering. Share phone's internet connection via Bluetooth. I'll just switch it on. Once I do that, you can come to this phone and see your Bluetooth. I'll go back again. Just press and hold your Bluetooth here. So once you do that, you will reach this place. You have to find out your device, this device here, and go to settings. Once you go to settings, you can see internet access. You have to switch on internet access. So the internet access has been switched on, and here you can now access internet. I'll, for example, write something here. So you can see this phone is now using internet of this phone's SIM card. You can see there is nothing switched on here, neither Wi-Fi nor there's no SIM even here in this phone. So it is solely using the Bluetooth of this phone, connected Bluetooth phone. You can see I'm able to use internet here. So friends, this is how you can do Bluetooth tethering from one phone to another phone. So basically what happened here, I switched on the Bluetooth in both the phone. I had allowed to use internet from this phone by doing Bluetooth tethering, and I had switched on internet access in this phone by going to that device in Bluetooth mode. So friends, that's it. I hope you knew this very useful feature on how to use internet from one phone, internet in another phone by using Bluetooth tethering method. I hope this video proves to be useful for your day-to-day usage of internet in mobile phones. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do share this video across various platforms so that many people come to know of this very important feature. And please do subscribe to this channel Infotainment for getting more of such little technical videos to make your digital life simpler and easier. So till our next video, keep watching Infotainment. Thank you.